Hello, and Happy New Year! I'm Katie, the Marketing Coordinator at Real Street Staffing. I'm here today to discuss job opportunities in the new year, a topic that I know is on everyone's mind. Okay, maybe not everyone's, but I'm sure that the new year has inspired a number of people to rethink their current job situation. And why not? It's a new year, a fresh start. It's a chance to set new goals and improve ourselves. Okay, let's begin with some insights that might give you something to look forward to. I know that we are all excited here. According to an online survey conducted by Harris Interactive and published in the Career Builder 2014 U.S. Jobs Forecast, 24% of companies expect to increase their permanent full-time headcount in 2014. 42% of companies said they would increase the hiring of temporary and contract workers in the upcoming year. By the way, that's an increase from 40% last year. Are you interested in one of these sort of placements? We sort of specialize in this. But anyways, in the same survey, of all of the hiring managers surveyed, 17% said they were recruiting full-time engineers in 2014, ranking 6th in the listing of planned hires. Oh, and here are some news that I know will be appreciated by employees and job seekers alike. 73% of companies surveyed will offer raises in the upcoming year, and almost half said that the salaries of initial job offers would increase in 2014. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics and the Employment Projections 2012 National Employment Matrix, last updated December 19, 2013, our industry is projected to have a very positive outlook. According to the data, the number of construction jobs is projected to increase 12% between 2012 and 2022, with a compound rate of change at 2.6 annually. The construction industry has also had one of the fastest growing employment numbers based on salaries or wages. This is great news. So seize the moment and begin exploring your options. Real Street Staffing can help. So why use Real Street Staffing? It's easier to do something hard when you have someone who is experienced and knowledgeable on your side to help. For example, I know that I've set New Year's resolutions with the very best of intentions, telling everyone that I'm sticking with it this time. Whether it was to be more active or productive at work, to start a new hobby, or maybe just learn to cook. It was so much easier to meet my goals when I had someone there to support me along the way. This year, let Real Street Staffing help you set a career-oriented New Year's resolution. We are here to help. After all, matching you with your ideal career in the construction, engineering, and architectural industry is what we do. We know the market. We know the decision makers. We have the resources and experience to help you build a better career. Email us today to find out what opportunities are available. Even if you're only thinking about a career change or simply want to keep your options open, just let us know that you're interested in what's available down the road. So start your year off right with Real Street Staffing. We look forward to hearing from you. Best wishes from all of us here, and we hope that you had a happy new year.